Before you consider buying Fuente Stem Cell Gel, you might want to watch this video because the internet is currently flooded with ads claiming this product can completely eliminate nail fungus using something called stem cell technology, which sounds impressive at first, but it also raises an important question. Does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped product being heavily marketed online? In this review, we're going to take a realistic look at what Fuente Stem Cell Gel claims to do and whether those promises make sense. The product is promoted as a powerful gel that penetrates deep into the nail bed and targets fungal infections at the source, supposedly helping restore healthier nails over time. However, when you start looking deeper into the marketing, a few things begin to stand out. Many of the ads emphasize breakthrough science and revolutionary results, yet there isn't much publicly available information about clinical testing or verified medical studies supporting these claims. Another interesting point is the type of customer feedback you might see online. Some websites show extremely positive testimonials with dramatic before and after photos, but on other platforms the feedback appears more mixed, which makes it harder to clearly verify how consistent the results actually are. It's also worth noting that many health products advertised online often rely on strong marketing language and eye-catching visuals to attract buyers, and sometimes those visuals may not always represent real users. When it comes to products like Fuente Stem Cell Gel, it's always smart to approach the claims carefully, look for reliable sources, and remember that results can vary from person to person. Overall, this gel might be an interesting option that some people are curious about, but it's important to keep expectations realistic and do proper research before making a purchase decision. If you found this review helpful and want more honest breakdowns of trending health products, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other reviews on this channel.